Dear friends, today I'm going to talk about the social media pages as well as the social media content creation. Let's suppose you wanna create content on a single niche. I think so. According to my experience, this would be better for you because of your listeners will pay attention towards a single niche, and some people work on the different multiple niches. I think so. The listener of such sort of workers, online workers, the listener of such sort of online workers or content creations or content creator becomes confused because of a thinks that what sort of multiple idea is going to be shared. If you work on only one idea, only one niche, I think so this will be very fruitful as well as beneficial for you. You have to adopt only one niche like fitness, cooking, cricket, or anything else, any product, any project you have interest in, you can start it. Whenever you will get monetization, definitely you will earn by ads, by affiliate marketing, and you can sell your own products, okay, by ads. Then if you have interest in content creation or social media pages, you must do it. Thank you.